Welcome. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of behaviorism, a learning theory that focuses on how our behaviors are shaped and modified through interactions with our environment. Behaviorism suggests that most behaviors are learned through conditioning, which means forming associations between stimuli and responses. This approach has had a huge impact on psychology, education, and even advertising. In this video, we'll explore the core concepts of behaviorism, meet its key figures, and see how these ideas are applied in real life. Let's start by understanding what behaviorism is all about and why it matters in the study of human and animal behavior. Meet the pioneers who shaped behaviorism. John B. Watson is known as the founder of behaviorism, emphasizing the study of observable behavior only. His famous Little Albert experiment demonstrated how fear could be conditioned in a child. Ivan Pavlov, another giant, developed classical conditioning through his dog experiments, showing how a neutral stimulus could trigger a response after being paired with food. Finally, B.F. Skinner introduced operant conditioning, focusing on how rewards and punishments influence voluntary behavior. Skinner's experiments with the Skinner box revolutionized our understanding of reinforcement and behavior modification. These figures laid the foundation for modern behavioral science. Now let's break down classical conditioning, a process discovered by Ivan Pavlov. In his famous experiment, Pavlov rang a bell before feeding dogs. Eventually, the dog began to salivate at the sound of the bell alone, associating it with food. Key components are the unconditioned stimulus food, which naturally triggers a response, the unconditioned response salivation, the conditioned stimulus bell, which becomes linked to the food, and the conditioned response salivation to the bell. Classical conditioning explains how involuntary responses can be learned through association, and it's foundational in behavior therapy and education. Moving on to operant conditioning, B.F. Skinner's groundbreaking work showed how behaviors are shaped by their consequences. In operant conditioning, behaviors are either strengthened or weakened based on what follows them. Positive reinforcement adds something desirable to increase a behavior, while negative reinforcement removes something unpleasant. Punishment, on the other hand, decreases the likelihood of a behavior, either by adding something unpleasant or taking away something desirable. Skinner's experiments with animals in the Skinner box highlighted how reinforcement and punishment can be used to teach new behaviors or reduce unwanted ones. This concept is widely used in classrooms, therapy, and even animal training. Behaviorism isn't just theory, it's everywhere in real life. In education, teachers use reinforcement strategies to encourage participation in good behavior. Therapists apply behavioral techniques to help people overcome phobias and addictions. Animal trainers rely on conditioning to teach pets new tricks. Even in the workplace, reward systems are designed to boost productivity and motivation. By understanding how behaviorism works, we can create environments that promote positive change and learning. As we wrap up, remember that behaviorism's principles continue to shape how we teach, learn, and interact every day.